Hello everybody, today we'll continue to talk about demand and supply. Our topic is equilibrium point. My name is Victor Ni. We'll discuss how equilibrium point is formed in the demand and supply market for goods and services. This is a question. D represents the demand curve, as is the supply curve for cars in Germany. If the price would be higher than £20,000, in which car market the equilibrium will be achieved? And you have two different car markets. The first one is Mercedes-Benz. The second is Bayerische Motorenwerke. I'm sure that you know this brand. Okay, and here is the price. Equilibrium price is 20,000 euro, and the quantity is also, for example, in thousand. Quantity is 10. Here the market is identical, but as you can see, this supply curve here is higher than demand, and for Bayerische Motorenwerke is demand is higher than supply. You may wonder what is this company it is. I'm sure you know BMW, yeah? Okay, you could have 2 minutes in order to answer this question. Please pause the video and try to answer the question. Try to answer it, and then we'll check correct answer. Please pause the video, guys. Let's check your answer. I'm sure your answer is correct, but let's check it. The correct answer will be answer Bayerische Motorenwerke, BMW. Yeah, how it works? We have these two markets, Mercedes-Benz and Bayerische Motorenwerke. Okay, and let's see. We have to analyze these two markets. The first, you should take a new price. According to our question, let's have a look at our question. Again, if the price would be higher than £20,000, in which car market the equilibrium will be achieved? Is it higher than 20,000? 20,000, it means the price is 25, for example. If the price is 25,000, what do we have here? This is quantity demanded. This is quantity supplied. As you can see, quantity demanded is 18,000 and quantity demanded is 12,000 is here. Okay, this is for the market of Mercedes-Benz. The second market is Bayerische Motorenwerke, BMW, and if the price is 25,000, the same. Quantity supplied will be 18, it's here, and quantity demanded is 12, it will be here. Okay, what does it tell us? In this situation, for the Mercedes-Benz, the quantity demanded is greater than the quantity supplied. And for the second market, the quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded. Okay, what does it mean? If you have the situation, if quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied, 18 is higher than 12, consumers want to buy more than suppliers are able to provide. And for the second, if quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded, producers will provide more than consumers are willing to buy. You want to sell 18, but consumers want to buy only 12 here. And for this situation, you are selling 12, but consumers, they want the demand 18. Here they demand only 12 and you are selling 18. In this situation, you will have shortage and surplus. As you can see, for this case, we have shortage here, the shortage here, and surplus when quantity supply is greater than quantity demanded. Okay, here we can see that quantity demanded greater than quantity supplied is shortage, and quantity supply is greater than quantity demanded, surplus. If a lot of people want to buy a car, producers will increase the price. For example, you are a producer. If more customers are willing to buy your product, what will you do? And you have just limited number of cars, it's 12, and people want 18. What you will do? You can increase your price. Yeah, you can increase price and make it higher. And here we can see that if the price will increase, the quantity demanded will also rise. It will go here. But in this situation, for BMW, for example, quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded. We have surplus. If nobody wants to buy a car, producer will decrease the price. This is a difference. Consumers, they want to buy less here. Not so many consumers they want to buy, and you start to decrease the price. Yeah, and also the quantity demanded will decrease. Okay, what do we have? The movement away from the equilibrium. As you can see here, they are moving away, but in the second graph, the movement towards the equilibrium. Here how it looks. Yeah, again, movement away from the equilibrium, and they will never meet. But in the second graph, they move towards the equilibrium again, and equilibrium point will be established. Thus we will have final answer, BMW. If the price is above the equilibrium, equilibrium could be achieved if quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded, or we have surplus in the market. In our example here, we have Mercedes-Benz, and there is a movement away from the equilibrium. But for the BMW, we have a movement towards the equilibrium point here, because we have a surplus at this area. Okay guys, good luck on your economic exams, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you at the next video.